everyone, welcome back to Alchemy with Zero Phase. This is Eric, and I am here with my daughter Maya. We decided to get together and collab on a picture. She's a year and a half, and she loves garbage trucks. You like garbage trucks?
Yellow.
Yeah.
Bus.
Oh, you want wheels on the bus? She wants music. Want to do a picture?
Picture.
Yeah, picture. Let's do a picture of a garbage truck.
Bucket.
Yeah, let's do a digital illustration of a blue garbage truck that says my garbage collection service on the side in bold white lettering. Driving like crazy through a fantasy land with lots of funny characters. Let's see if that gives us what we want. Let's make sure that we have this set up right here. I'm gonna go down here and switch that down there, and hit run. And here comes our picture. that's super close. Got her name right. Garbage collection. That's not bad. I think part of the problem is I said bold white letters. So let's take out bold in white letters. We'll just do that and see if that's able to do it. Hit run on that again. Okay, that one isn't too bad. It's not quite the fantasy land I like, but he's driving like crazy. We got somebody on top here driving around like crazy. Got lots of birds. Collection service. So we do have the issue there. We could paint that out. That might take a little bit. I don't really want to do that. So we're going to render it one more time. You want to see a different baggage truck? Yeah, let's do it again. There we go. I love that one. It's a little weird on the letters. That's fine. I love how crazy he's driving down the road. We got some characters here. I think we're going to do a couple things. We're going to get rid of this thing on top. And then we'll add a doggy and daddy. You want to add daddy into it?
Toy.
Yeah. So let's come over here. We're gonna go, and we could probably fix that, but I'm not gonna worry about it. So let's come over here. We're gonna go into XeroGen. We're gonna come over here, go to our inpainting, and drop that in there. We're gonna make sure the scale is all the way up, and then we're gonna come up here and get rid of this. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And come down here and put that right there and hit generate. And what that'll do is force the AI to kind of not focus on that one little area, but this whole big area, which basically says, oh, I don't know how to focus on that. And bam, we get rid of it. Look at that. Cool, huh? Let's upscale it. So send that to canvas. So let's upscale it because we're going to do some stuff to it. Garbage truck. Huh. Our garbage truck's the coolest. Oh my gosh, the other day my wife yells down, hey, the garbage truck is coming, and I had her downstairs. So this would be kind of the first time she'd really seen one, and so I took her outside, and she was wide-eyed for like the 5 minutes that the guy was there, and didn't blink once. Like, it was, she was so fascinated with it. So we got some garbage truck toys, and she loves it. Like, every other word is garbage truck. It's hilarious. Okay, we're going to put a little doggy down here. Let's increase that brush size. We're going to put a doggy down here chasing the truck. Okay? You want to see a doggy? A wow wow?
Wow wow.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Cute little dog chasing the let's do this. Cute little dog running. I want to make sure running is in there. Chasing the garbage truck. And now we're doing a small area like this, which the AI will be able to focus on. And there's enough detail on there that it'll have something to use. Oh, excuse you. Oh, we got the doggy, but he's kind of running the other direction. So what we're going to do, we're going to do side view of the wow wow chasing the garbage truck.
Chasing.
Yeah, he's chasing, huh? Yeah, she's a year and a half. She just says a lot of stuff. No. Let's generate again. He's kind of going the other direction. I wonder if I should include like part of that. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, so see how we got a little doggy. He's chasing the garbage truck. We got some characters in the background here. They're a little weird. And then I think we're going to also... We're going to put a man back here. We're going to go like this. This will be Daddy. He's going to be chasing the dog. So we're going to come over here. Middle-aged man with auburn. Oops. Short auburn hair. Oops. Running, chasing, exasperated. Oh, excuse you. You want to see Daddy in there chasing? Chasing, yeah. So let's do that. Go generate. Baggage truck, yeah. Oh, he's running the other way. That's not good. Yeah, he needs to be running the other way, huh? Let's try it again. So he seems to always be running the other way. I'm going to put in here side view of, and see if we can't get him to face the right way. Yeah, we'll do bus here in just a second. We're going to finish up the garbage picture. Uh-oh. Okay, we finally got him running the right way. You know, I think I kind of messed up because I did the letters. I overdid the letters a little bit. So I think what we're going to do, we're just going to get rid of that lettering altogether. Should we get rid of the lettering right here? Do that. Do a little thing up there and get rid of this. Go generate. Here. You want that? And we'll get rid of the thing that says Kalinigig. There we go. And now we have a man chasing the doggy. And I think we're going to put Maya up in the garbage truck. You want to drive the garbage truck? Yeah, we're going to go up here. We're going to go cute little baby girl with short curly brown hair driving the garbage truck. Yeah, garbage trucks. That's right. We're going to reduce the in-painting padding down so we can focus on that area. And let's see what it does. We should put a little girl right there. Right there. We're going to do it right there. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Yeah, you see, Maya, you're driving the garbage truck. See? Not really a cartoon, and it left a little bit of an outline. So we need to change the description a little bit. We're going to go up here. We're going to go cute little cartoon baby girl. We're going to increase the in-paint padding just back up to normal and hit generate and try that. Let's see what that looks like. I should put a little girl, cartoon girl there. There we go. Let's see what that looks like here. Bring this over here. Looky there. There's Maya driving the garbage truck. It's getting away. I know it's a little bit of a odd picture because the dad's chasing after her, but she's driving her garbage truck. You like your garbage truck? Maya, you like the garbage truck? There's Maya driving the garbage truck with the doggy chasing the wow. And Daddy's chasing after you. I mean, the steering wheel's not on the front, but that's okay. Yeah, you see the wow, huh? Cool. That's a good picture, huh? So maybe what we'll do is we'll upscale that and keep it. It's a fun little picture. Okay, thanks everybody. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say hola, or no, ciao. Say ciao. Oh, do kisses, okay. All right, we'll see you guys later.